Good afternoon, everyone. Yesterday, I discussed the problem that the theorem in three-dimensional geometry lines in the space. Today, I am going to revise that entire theorem once again. Okay, I hope you have copied yesterday, right? And after completion of that theorem, I am going to start the problems concerned to that theorem, right? Come on, write down. See, the equation, the vector equation of line, that means in two-dimensional geometry, you will have, that means you studied the straight line form as ax plus by plus c is equals to 0, right? Similarly, here in three-dimensional geometry, you are going to learn the in the three-dimensional space, equation of line form is r bar is equals to a bar plus lambda b bar, right? Now, the vector equation of line passing through one point and parallel to another vector is given by r bar is equals to a bar plus lambda b bar. And its Cartesian form is x minus x1 by a is equals to y minus y1 by b is equal to z minus z1 by c. Now I am going to prove these two. First one is vector form, another one is Cartesian form. For that one, yesterday you have, I hope you wrote the notes, right? So there is no need to write again. Just observe the theorem once again. Let O be the fixed point, right? Let P be the point. Let P be the point on the line which is passing through point A bar and parallel to another vector B bar, such that OA bar is equals to A bar, OP bar is equals to R bar. AP bar becomes AP bar is equals to OP bar minus OA bar, which means R bar minus A bar you are going to get, right? Now, if you observe these two lines, AP bar is parallel to B bar, am I right? AP bar is parallel to B bar. One vector is parallel to another vector means one vector is equal to some scalar into another vector, right? Where AP bar can be written as R bar minus A bar is equals to lambda times of B bar, right? Therefore, R is equals to A bar plus lambda B bar is the vector equation of line passing through one point A and parallel to another vector B bar, okay? Now, you are going, that means the Cartesian form of this one is Cartesian form. To write the Cartesian form, you require to write the vector form initially. That means in vector form, you need R bar, after that A bar, and after that B bar. So I am going to consider R bar is equals to xi bar plus yj bar plus zk bar, which you can write this one as x comma y comma z. A bar can be considered as x1i plus y1j plus z1k, which you can write this one as x1 y1 z1. This theorem is very important for 5 marks question. That's why I am revising this, right? B bar is equals to ai bar plus bj bar plus ck bar, right? Which you can write this one as a comma b comma c. Okay, you just substitute these three values in this one, you are going to get the answer. In this one, R bar is equals to A bar plus lambda B bar, right? Now, it becomes very lengthy if I write it so. So, x comma y comma z is equals to x1 y1 z1 plus lambda into ABC. I am going to write. Instead of ijk, I am going to write x1 y1 z1 and lambda into ABC. Now you can write this one as x is equals to x1 plus a lambda. That means x minus x1 by a is equals to lambda. Similarly, y minus y1 by b is equals to lambda. Z minus z1 by c is equals to lambda. As the three parts is equals to lambda are equals to lambda, you just equate those three parts. You are going to get the Cartesian form like x minus x1 by a is equals to y minus y1 by b is equals to z minus z1 by c. Right? So I conclude this theorem by giving two statements. The first one it is, you should remember the statement, right? The vector form of a line, is, that means passing through one point and parallel to one vector, is given by r bar is equals to a bar plus lambda b bar, and its Cartesian form is x minus x1 by a is equals to y minus y1 by b is equals to z minus z1 by c. Right? Just observe this one carefully. I am going to give you the notes, that means problems on this one. Okay? Observe for 1 minute. I am going to do the problems. Yes. How the problem will be in this, on this theorem, right? First of all, I am going to discuss the theorem. Afterwards, problem on that theorem. Okay? Now, write down. Very important for 5 marks. Find the equation, write down the question. Find the vector equation. Find the vector equation of line passing through, write down, passing through the point 1, 2, 3 and parallel to 3i plus 2j minus 2k bar. 3i plus 2j minus 2k bar. I am going to repeat. Find the equation of line passing through 1, 2, 3, passing through the point 1, 2, 3 and parallel to the vector 3i plus 2j minus 2k. He asked you to find out the vector equation specifically, right? Vector equation of line passing through one point and parallel to one vector. How to do this problem? He asked you to find out the vector equation of line passing through one point. So you should consider the given point as capital A, right? Observe this one. Very simple problem. Let capital A bar is equals to 1, 2, 3. Where capital A shows this one, where I consider this one as A bar now, so you should write this one as I plus 2j bar plus 3k bar, right? Let B bar is equals to 3i plus 2j minus 2k. Now, what is the theorem I have given you? The vector equation of line passing through one point and parallel to one vector is given by r bar is equals to a bar plus lambda b bar, right? Therefore, required vector equation is r bar is equals to a bar plus lambda b bar, which implies r bar is equals to substitute a bar I bar plus 2j bar plus 3k bar plus lambda into b bar is equals to 3i plus 2j minus 2k. So I am going to repeat this entire, this up to this only, this step is the answer, right? So there is no need to simplify this one, or there is no need to find any value, right? The problem is over. I am going to repeat this once again. Observe this one. You should, the vector equation of line, you should remember the statement which has been given to you in the theorem, right? If let r bar is equals to r, find the vector equation of line passing through one point. This is called as capital A, which is one point given to you. Okay, and parallel to one vector. The vector equation of line passing through one point, capital A, and parallel to one vector b bar is given by r bar is equals to a bar plus lambda b bar. So this is the theorem, right? Statement which we prove, right? R bar is equals to a bar, right, plus lambda into b bar is equals to 3i plus 2j minus 2k. I hope you understood this. Now copy this one. This is the answer which you should write. Yes, I hope you have copied this problem. Now take down the next problem which is on the board. I wrote it. Yes. The vector equation of line passing through one point, 2, minus 1, 4, and parallel to. Okay. Okay, let us write the Cartesian form also for this one, right? You write down, you just add one thing. Find the vector and Cartesian form. Find the vector and Cartesian form of line passing through one point and parallel to another vector. Okay, first one solution, right? Let capital A is equals to A bar, which is equals to 2i minus j plus 4k. Let B bar is equals to I plus 2j minus k. Required vector form is equals to is R bar is equals to A bar plus lambda B bar. R bar is equals to 2i bar plus 2i bar minus j bar plus 4k bar lambda into I plus 2j minus k, right? This is up to only vector form. Okay, now let us write the Cartesian form of this one. How to write the Cartesian form? Let capital A is equals to 2 minus 1 4, which is equals to x1 y1 z1. Now let capital B is equals to 1 comma 2 comma minus 1. There it has been given I plus 2j minus k na. I plus 2j minus k na, which you should consider that one as 1 2 minus 1, which you should write this one as small a comma b comma c, right? And let R bar is equals to xi plus yj plus zk, which is nothing but x comma y comma z. Okay, therefore required equation is x minus x1 by a is equal to y minus y1 by b is equal to z minus z1 by c. Means I am going to get x minus, what is x1? 2 by a is equals to 1 is equals to y minus y1 is equal to minus 1 by 2 is equals to z minus z1 is equals to 4 by c is equals to minus 1. This is the answer which you should write. I am going to repeat this entire Cartesian form once again. You should consider the point capital A is equals to 2 minus 1 4, which is equals to x1 y1 z1, and capital B is equals to 1 2 minus 1, which is equals to a b c, right? And R bar is equals to unknown vector na, so you should consider that one as xi plus yj plus zk, which is equals to x comma y comma z. Okay, therefore required equation is x minus x1 by a is equal to y minus y1 by b is equal to z minus z1 by c. You substitute all the values. Don't try to simplify this. Okay, again you are going to get that one. So there is no need to simplify. You can wind up the problem up to here. I am going to conclude the entire problem once again. You just copy parallel to me. I am going to discuss it again. Observe that one. He asked you to find out the vector equation of line passing through one point and parallel to another vector. You should consider the point as capital A, okay, which is equals to I bar, 2i bar minus j bar plus 4k bar, and B bar is equals to I plus 2j minus k. Now you should substitute vector form. That means you should substitute in vector form, which is called as R bar is equals to A bar plus lambda B bar. Okay, so if you substitute that one, R bar is equals to 2i minus j plus 4k plus lambda into I plus 2j minus k. Up to here it is completed. That is, vector form has been completed. Now you should go through Cartesian form. While you are writing the Cartesian form, entire I bar, j bar, k bar should be in the form of x1, y1, z1, xyz and abc. So I considered the first point as x1, y1, z1. Capital A is equals to x1, y1, z1. Capital B is equals to abc, right? And R bar is unknown vector. Therefore, you consider that one as x1 xi plus yj plus zk, which is equals to x comma y comma z. Now you know the Cartesian equation of line. What is the Cartesian equation we have proved? X minus x1 by a is equals to y minus y1 by b is equals to z minus z1 by c. Substitute all the values x1, y1, z1 and a, b, c. You are going to get the answer. I hope you understood this. Yes. Next one. I hope you have copied. Write down the next question, which is related to this theorem. First of all, one theorem and proof. After that, problems on that theorem. Right? This is the second exercise in NCERT. I am going through the proofs first of all. After that, I am going through the problems. Right? Each and every problem will be covered. Nothing to worry. Find the, write down, find the Cartesian form of a line. Find the Cartesian form of a line which passes through the point -2, 4, -5, -2, 4, -5 and parallel to x plus 3 by 3 is equals to y minus 4 by 5 is equals to z plus 8 by 6. Over. Write down the question. Find the Cartesian form. He has not asked you to write the vector form. Find the Cartesian form of a line. Find the Cartesian form of a line which passes through the point and parallel to the vector x plus 3 by 3 is equal to y minus 4 by 5 is equal to z plus 8 by 6. over yes. First of all, what is the difference between this problem and the previous problem, right? In this problem, he has given you the first difference is he asked you to write only the Cartesian form, and the given point, that means point has not been given to you. That means vector has not been given to you, right? He has given you another line. Okay, so how to do that one? A small logic. Two vectors are said to be parallel, or two lines are said to be parallel if the direction ratios are equal. Okay, that means first of all you should write given point capital A bar is equals to -2, 4, -5. I hope you understood up to this point. Okay, given point is -2, 4, -5. Okay, you consider like this. And given line x plus 3 by 3 is equals to y minus 4 by 5 is equal to z plus 8 by 6 is parallel to required line, right? Therefore, DRs are equal. Therefore, B bar is equals to, that means capital B bar is equals to 3, 5, 6. What are the DRs of this line? A, this is in the form of x minus x1 by A is equals to y minus y1 by B is equal to z minus z1 by C. A is equal to 3. So the DRs is equals to 3, 5, 6. Okay. DRs should be equal. Am I right? So this is nothing but small a comma b commas. Therefore, he asked you to find out which is equals to x1, x1, y1, z1. Okay. This is ABC. Required line x minus x1 by A is equal to y minus y1 by B is equals to z minus z1 by C. All right. That means you are going to get x minus, what is x1 minus 2? It becomes x plus 2 by A is equal to 3. Y minus y1 is equals to 4 by B is equals to 5. Z minus of minus plus 5 by C is equals to 6. So this is the required line. I am going to discuss this problem once again. He has given you one point and he has given you one line. He asked you to find out the equation of line, Cartesian equation of line passing through one point and parallel to given line, right? So first of all, I considered the given point as x1, y1, z1. I hope you understood up to this step. And secondary, he has given you one line here. I wrote the given line. This line is parallel to our required line, or you can also consider our required line is parallel to the given line. If two lines are parallel to each other, then the direction ratios of those two lines are equal. I am going to repeat this point. If two lines are parallel to each other, their direction ratios are equal, right? In exercise number 1, we have done to show that the points are collinear. Okay, we found AB bar DRs and what it is BC bar DRs. A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. That shows the direction ratios are equal. Am I right? I am repeating this point once again because this is important. If two lines are parallel, then the direction ratios are equal. If two lines are perpendicular, then A1, A2 plus B1, B2 plus C1, C2 is equals to 0, which you learned the dot product is equals to 0, right? Same thing. Here, the required line and the given line are parallel to each other. Therefore, the direction ratios DRs are equal. Okay, so DRs are equal means the direction ratios of this line is 3, 5, 6. How, sir? This is in the form of x minus x1, means x1 is minus 3 there. X minus x1 by a is equal to y minus y1 by b is equal to z minus z1 by c. Am I right? So, what are ABC? ABC are nothing but the direction ratios of that line, right? So, small a, b, c is equals to this. Now, you know x1, y1, z1 and small abc. Therefore, the required Cartesian form is equal to x minus x1. x1 value is minus 2 here. So, that becomes x minus x1, x minus of minus 2. It is x plus 2 by a is equals to 3. Now, similarly, y minus y1 by b is equals to z minus z1 by c. Okay, copy that one, you are going to get the answer. Copy that problem slowly. Over. See, observe that one. He asked you the Cartesian form of a line is given, and he asked you to find out the vector form. He has given you the Cartesian form of a line, okay, and he asked you the vector form. How to do this? First of all, given line x minus 5 by 3 is equal to y plus 4 by 7 is equal to z minus 6 by 2 represents line passing through the point 5 comma minus 4 comma 6 and parallel to 3i plus 7j plus 2k. Am I right? Now, first of all, compare the given equation. Compare this line with x minus x1 by a is equal to y minus y1 by b is equal to z minus z1 by c. So, given line represents the line passing through x1 means 5, y1 minus 4, z1 6, and parallel to the vector 3i a, okay, 7j plus 2k. Am I right? Therefore, you can do this one as, that means the required line 3i plus, therefore required vector form is r bar is equals to a bar plus lambda b bar. This is a bar, okay. R bar is equals to a bar 5i bar minus 4j bar plus 6k bar plus lambda into 3i bar plus 7j bar plus 2k bar. I am going to repeat this entire. Just observe once. You should compare the given line with x minus x1 by a is equals to y minus y1 by b is equals to z minus z1 by c, where x1, y1, z1 is equals to 5 minus 4 and 6, and a, b, c is equals to 3 comma 7 comma 2, right? Required form is r bar is equals to a bar plus lambda b bar, okay. R bar is equals to a bar plus lambda b bar means r bar is equals to this plus lambda into b bar. Over. Copy this one. Yes. I request you to turn off your video, please. Please turn off your video. Copy this one. I hope you have copied. Now, next problem on the same theorem. That means you just write down this problem for practice. Find the vector and Cartesian equation of line. Find vector and Cartesian form of line passing through 1 comma minus 1 comma 1, that is point, and parallel to 3i minus j plus 2k. Copy this one. Find the vector and Cartesian equation of line passing through one point and parallel to another vector. If the Cartesian form of a line is x plus 1 by 3 is equal to y minus 4 by minus 5 is equal to z plus 1, z plus 2 by minus 4. Then find its vector form. I am going to repeat this. If the Cartesian form of a line is x plus 1 by 3 is equals to y minus 4 by minus 5 is equals to z plus 2 by minus 4, then find its vector form. Now listen, these two are for practice. Today I have completed the problems on only one theorem. I hope you have, that means you got more than 5 problems. Okay, that theorem and these problems are very important. Okay, tomorrow I am going to give you another theorem and some more problems on that theorem which are there in your textbooks and remaining examples, right? Thank you and have a nice day.